Okay, so far we have hooked up our reader. Let me show you. Working perfect. Our exit button, if you can hear the click. I'm not showing you right now the LED. Let me see if I can pull this a little bit out. Sorry, making some bad contacts here. It's my fault. Anyway, let me see. Okay, we can't see right now the LED, but anyway, it's opening here. As you can see my finger. Okay, you see 5 seconds, we'll be back to normal. Now we're going to hook up the lock to the power supply and our relay number 1. Okay, how we do that? Again, we get another piece of wire, we strip it out. I'm going to take everything out. Okay, this is not the way you're going to do it. This is the way I'm going to do it. Okay, I'm going to use 3 wires only. So, as you remember, I told you that the mag locks, they always have to be closed, so they need power, right? So we're going to connect it here, a normally closed for mag locks. This is a safe, a fail-safe lock that we're going to connect it to normally open. Anyway, you can see it on the diagram here, how to connect it. So, we're going to choose wire number 1 to our mag lock. So I'm going to strip this wire out. Anyway, I'm going to show you a diagram. I'm going to place a diagram in this video so you can check it out as well. I use my screwdriver. For safety reasons, I always recommend turn everything down before you do any change or any fixes. So we go and plug the back wire on the ground, and we screw it up all over until this is tight enough. Okay, so on the other side we can open this line or not. It's optional. I'm not going to do it because I don't have time for it. I strip my other side of the wire and I connect it, to my lock. Any of those, could be any side, okay, minus or plus. Okay, so I have ground here, ground connected to the lock, and now we go another extra wire. I'm choosing a red wire, strip it up, and I connect it here to any side. You can see the lock is closed, right? So I plug this one back to my terminal block that is going to be on normally open 1. So it's going to be the third one here and the second one are the ones I'm going to use right now. So let's go for the third one first of all. That's my normally open. I lock it down. Okay, you see it's tied up. Now I go for third wire, green one. I'm going to hook this one up to my COM port. Sorry, my COM space, I call it. I close it. Okay, and I plug my terminal block on my panel, and then I go to my lock. I strip again this wire. I go to my power supply. and hook it up on 12 volts. And we're ready to go. Now, again, I connect wire black on my power supply, wire red on my panel, wire green on my power supply, and we turn it on. Okay? This is still closed because it's normally open. Only if I press the exit button, it will release my lock. So let's check it out. Oh, thank you very much. 5 seconds is back. Lock. I press again my wire, my exit button. Hear the click. Oh, and again it's open for 5 seconds and it's back to normal. Thanks for watching.